Cuba is an enchanting island, with a rich history, a vibrant culture, and beautiful landscapes, along with its people marking it as unique. It is located 510 kilometers from Cancun, 367 kilometers from Miami, and 1,356 kilometers from the Dominican Republic. It is the ideal island for multi-destination tourism in the Caribbean, where Havana stands out for its patrimonial value. The company Marinas y Nautica Marlin S.A. belongs to the Ministry of Tourism, and offers attractive and diverse nautical and marina services throughout the country. Our company invites you to partner for the management and marketing of the Almendares and Marina Hemingway naval workshops. The facilities are located on Cayo Santa Fe, west of the entrance to Marina Hemingway 1 extension, on the banks of the Almendares River in Havana, just 25 minutes from Jose Marti International Airport and very close to the historic center of Old Havana. The main attraction is its geographical location, complemented by a highly qualified and specialized workforce. The workshop, located near the entrance to the channels of Marina Hemingway, gets the benefits from the proximity to all services offered in the mentioned residential area. Nearby are located the Palco Shopping Center, the Club Habana, and La Pradera Health Center. The workshop, located on the banks of the Almendares River, is close to the Cuban Art Factory, an acknowledged cultural center and near to the most hotels in the city. The project includes remodeling, expanding, and upgrading the existing facilities, acquiring state-of-the-art equipment and technology to increase the capacity for efficient boat launching, maintenance, and repair services for small and medium-sized vessels, as well as constructing smaller tourist boats under 41 feet. Let's build the future together.